Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable notifications for when friends of friends tag you on the Facebook app on your PC. If you've been missing out on tags or want a bit more control over what notifications you receive, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Once you're on your main Facebook page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account settings. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize almost everything about your Facebook experience, from privacy controls to notifications and more. Once the list expands, click on Settings. You'll now be taken to the main settings page on the left-hand side or in the center of your screen. Depending on your layout, look for the Notifications option. Go ahead and click on it. This section controls all the alerts Facebook sends you: likes, comments, tags, and updates from friends. Scroll until you find the option labeled Tags. This is where Facebook organizes all your tag notification preferences. Click on Tags to open it. Here you can decide who you want to receive notifications from whenever you're tagged in a post or photo. Now, under the Tag section, you'll see different categories for who can tag you or alert you, such as friends, friends of friends, and sometimes everyone. Depending on your privacy settings, choose friends of friends. This means you'll now get notifications not just from your direct friends, but also when their friends tag you in posts, photos, or comments. Once you've selected friends of friends, your changes are automatically saved. That's it, or all set. Now you'll never miss a tag again, even if it comes from outside your immediate circle. If you found this quick guide helpful, consider checking out your other notification settings to fine-tune your Facebook experience even more. Thanks for watching.